Hi, Maddie. This is Bill. Wanted to send you these proposals over for the insurance you called me about for Chris. So John did these for me, but there's two different proposals. One is the basic life insurance policy for $100,000 benefit, and it's locked in for 20 years. And this is the first one that I'm showing you here, and I attached all this so you can review them later. This one's 5403 a month. And there's two other things that you asked for. We did an optional life for $250,000, 20-year term, and it's 102.44. So it's a better buy in terms of how much you pay per thousand of insurance when you buy 250 versus 100. But there's the two options, and either one of them works fine. Also included an option for disability, and based on the numbers that we had, we were able to offer $2,500 a month disability. It has a 30-day waiting period after the disability starts, and it would be a benefit that would last for up to 2 years. So that's available based on just the basic criteria. Now, obviously, as you well know, the underwriting has to be performed on these, so they could change. But if his health is good, then very probably this is the rates that we'd be looking at. So I've attached those proposals to this so that you can look at them individually, and then you can let me know if you need more questions answered, or if you want to go forward with it, you can let me know. We'll prepare the applications for you. So just follow up according to how you need, and be happy to help any way I can. Thanks, Maddie. Bye.